Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So few months back I made a video like how to get a no beard look with the help of filter. So basically I made for a Instagram, but we don't have a such filter in Instagram right now. So if you want a no beard filter, like I have a beard and with the help of filter I can remove my beard. So that filter is available in Snapchat and it's worked perfectly. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to use this filter and how to record a video or how to capture a photo with the help of using Snapchat filter. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So first of all you need to open your Snapchat here, and here you will get two options. One is no beard no hair, one is there will be no beard but hair will be there. You need to click on this camera icon and you can see I have a beard now, and I will scroll. No, just you will see in the home page there is a search icon. Click on this one and search as no beard. Okay, so here you can see the first one. If you will select this, your both beard and hair will be removed. If you will select the second one, you will notice just the beard will be removed. So let's try. I will click on this one. You can see I have a hair but the beard is removed. Okay, so if I will select this one, you will see both the beard and hair is removed. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.